The idea of a digital twin is borrowed from engineering, where a working model of a physical machine runs alongside the real one so you can test changes and predict behavior without touching the original. A governance digital twin applies the same idea, but the thing being modeled is not a machine. It is the institution's governance, its agents, the boundaries they run under, the controls around them, the points where decisions escalate to people, and the way all of it behaves together. It is a working model of how the institution governs, which you can run, push, and observe without putting the live business at risk. With a model like that, governance gains something it has never really had: the ability to ask what would happen if and get an answer before the event. What happens to the override rate if we widen this agent's authority? Where does the load concentrate if 3 systems escalate at once? Does the stop control actually reach the agent inside the window we assume? Would this policy change make the institution safer or just busier? These are questions an institution normally answers by living through the consequences. A governance twin lets it answer them in rehearsal and decide accordingly. It also gives the control plane a place to be tested. The single governed surface we described earlier can be exercised against stress in the twin before it is trusted in production. The important shift is that this turns governance from something written down into something you can run. A policy on paper asserts that the institution is in control. A governance twin lets the institution demonstrate to itself and to others how its controls behave when conditions turn hostile before they do. This is the frontier of the discipline, and it is a large subject in its own right. The modeling, the stress scenarios, the way a twin is kept faithful to the real institution. This primer is the doorway, not the deep dive. Next, where that deeper work goes.